absurd to speak of beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? How's it absurd to sing of beautiful birds and beautiful words in the morning? Is it so absurd to be the beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? It's so absurd to think of beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning. How's it absurd to think of beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you ever heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Was it so absurd to sing of beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such the beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? Is it so absurd to sing of beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard of the beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Was it so absurd to think of beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you ever heard of the beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning? Was it quite absurd to think of beautiful birds singing beautiful words in the morning? Have you ever heard of the beautiful birds singing beautiful words morning. Have you heard such a beautiful bird singing beautiful words in the morning?